To turn off your PC with just one click, you can create a shortcut on your desktop that initiates the shutdown process. Here's how you can do it. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. Select New from the context menu and then choose Shortcut. In the Create Shortcut window that appears, type the following command in the location field: shutdown/s/t0. This command tells your computer to initiate a shutdown with a 0-second delay. Click Next to proceed. Enter a name for the shortcut, such as Shutdown or Turn Off PC. Click Finish to create the shortcut. Once you have created the shortcut, a single click on it will trigger the shutdown process immediately. It's important to note that this method initiates an immediate shutdown without any prompts or saving of unsaved work. So make sure you have saved everything before using the shortcut. You can also customize the shortcut icon by right-clicking on it, selecting Properties, and then clicking the Change Icon button in the Shortcuts tab.